Welcome, friends, to the realm of your greatest superpower, meditation. Forget incense-laden cliches and the hush of distant monasteries. This practice is not an esoteric luxury reserved for mystics. It's the most practical, portable technology ever invented for returning to your most accurate address. The self that existed before the world etched a name onto your passport and a resume onto your destiny. 1. Remembering the face before the mask. When we say self, we don't mean the collage of titles, tasks, and selfies scrolling through your phone. We point to the primal, pre-verbal awareness, the original face Zen masters hint at, the observer that watched you dreaming in the womb before you knew the word I. Meditation is the secret passage back to that dimension. 2. Preparing the temple. Wake the body, loosen up with smooth, wave-like stretches, roll each joint, unwind each muscle, and flick off tension like you'd brush lint off a coat. You're unkinking the meridians, so life current, chi, prana, bioelectricity, choose your poetry, can circulate without traffic jams. 3. Choose your throne, sit on a cushion, a chair, or a patch of grass. What matters is a spine that rises and shines like a mountain peak, upright, dignified, declaring sovereignty over distraction. The trifecta of Now Portal, why it works, how to enter body stillness. Body awareness lives only in the razor-sharp present, free from yesterday's echoes and tomorrow's projections. Anchor your attention to its quiet architecture and sensations, and as your posture settles in stillness, the breath deepens and thought waves lose their wind and settle into calm. Breath flow breath is the umbilical cord between flesh and psyche. Follow it, and the mind, addicted to the past future, must retreat to the present corridor where breath lives. Simply observe the breath, ride the cool air flowing in and the warm air drifting out. Allow yourself to sink into the quiet. Within that still pause lies a presence more powerful than the mind's constant noise. Now notice, the peripheral sounds bloom only in the current moment. Ears become telescopes pointed at reality's heartbeat. Instead of labeling noises, notice their birth, peak, and fade. Like fireflies winking in the dark. Take notice as attention steadies. Thoughts don't need to be fought or resisted. They simply evaporate from the sheer lack of audience participation. 4. Crossing the threshold. Soon the mind grows transparent. Behind it waits a canyon of silence, so alive it hums. Here, time dissolves. Minutes, identities, and agendas fall away, like shoes left at the entrance of the zendo. The presence blooms, awareness turning inward, not grasping at objects, but resting as presence itself, radiant and complete without cause. Being is a silent, wordless knowing, I am just that. I am. Nothing more is needed. This is home. It is not a location, but the default glow beneath every experience. Meditation doesn't fabricate it. It reveals what was never absent. 5. Bringing the treasure back. The session ends, but the superhero cape folds neatly under your everyday clothes. Answer your emails with the same steady spine and serene poise you brought to the cushion. Breathe through traffic lights as if each one were a temple bell. Listen to colleagues the way you listen to distant birds. Every return to presence rewires the nervous system, teaching it that safety exists in the now, not in tomorrow's spreadsheet or yesterday's regret. The quiet secret, the mystical technique, is disarmingly simple. Show up, stay curious, and refuse to abandon the moment. Do it daily, and the world's noise becomes background music for an ever-present solo, the song of your original self. So sit back, pause, take a deep breath, and listen, my friend. Watch as the ordinary reveals the miraculous. The hero you've been waiting for is the awareness of reading these words. Visit nycfitliving.com to begin your journey toward a deeper understanding and to cultivate genuine happiness and well-being through fitness, mindfulness, and stress management.